I will never stop trying to find love until I find a love that feels like Philippians 1 verse 3. You know the Bible verse that says, every time I think about you, I thank God for you. Because what are the odds that in a world with 7 billion people, there's a person for me and they all mine? A love so beautiful, it doesn't age with time. A love that feels like my mother's prayers over me and God's love for me. A love that feels like heaven without dying. A love that's intentional and forever trying. I will never stop trying to find love until I find the type of love you see. Because that love is so perfectly crafted by God.